everyone, this is Inna with Innichkachef and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making the most delicious apple muffins. These apple muffins require just few very simple ingredients: apples, melted butter, egg and milk. Also oats, sugar and flour, some cinnamon, salt and baking powder. This simple recipe not require any equipment. All you need just hand whisk, whisk all together, all dry ingredients, cinnamon, baking powder and salt. And for the wet ingredients, egg, milk, and melted butter. Whisk. Nice, beautiful, rich egg yolk makes this nice and yellow. Now mix wet into dry. And gently fold in your apples. Use the large cookie scoop . Give a nice tap, and before you stick in the oven, 400 degrees, we're making a streusel. And for streusel we need oats, flour and sugar and some melted butter. Place some streusel generously on each muffin. It smells so good. It smells so good. I cannot wait to try. The hardest part to make wait for 5 minutes, it's usually a problem in my house. You can taste apple, super moist, light, not overly sweet. It's absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you do me like, subscribe, share with your friends, family, and check description below similar and related recipe and cook from scratch. Make this delicious apple muffins. Lots of apples, and you see it's very moist. Bye and see you next time.